Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 4th of September 2023. The benchmark indices ended higher for the second consecutive session on September 4th, with Nifty comfortably finishing above 19,500 amid buying across the sectors. At close, the Sensex was up 240.98 points, or 0.37% at 65,628.14, and the Nifty was up 93.50 points, or 0.48% at 19,528.80. Coal India, Wipro, and HCL Technologies are among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers were M&M, Axis Bank, and Nestle India. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Rail Vikas Nigam Limited hit an all-time high of 163.45 rupees on September 4th after the company on September 2nd announced that it has bagged orders worth 604.19 rupees crore from the Madhya Gujarat Vij company. The company has received a letter of acceptance for development of distribution infrastructure work for loss reduction in Vadodara and Dahod districts under the revamped reforms-based and results-linked distribution sector scheme, the company said in a regulatory filing with the exchanges. MISHRA DHATU NIGAM shares hit a 52-week high at 435.85 rupees on September 4th after the state-owned steel and alloys maker announced that it had supplied specialized materials for ISRO's recently launched ADITYA L1 Solar Observatory's vehicle. MISHRA DHATU Nigam's critical materials have been used in the ADITYA L1 launcher vehicle PSLV C-57. It was built with the company-manufactured critical materials like T6Ul for V titanium alloy, C103 niobium alloy, Superco 605 cobalt alloy, ultra-high strength steel, the company said in a regulatory filing at the exchanges. Shares of IDBI Bank jumped nearly 8% in trade on September 4th, post the invitation of bids by the government for strategic divestment of the bank. The central government has invited bids to appoint an asset valuer for strategic divestment of the bank. The bids will have to be submitted by October 9th. The asset valuer will give fair value of assets and liabilities of the bank. Bank's investments, loans and advances, deposits, borrowings, and other liabilities will be considered for valuation. Shares of Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited zoomed over 19% intraday on September 4th as trading volumes surged 11.11% from the previous day. The PSU stock has surged over 31% in the last 2 days. The IRFC shares surged 11.72% on August 31st with the trading volume at 27 crores. Trading volume on both the days stayed higher than the weekly average of 11 crores and the monthly average of 17 crores. GMR Power and Urban Infra was locked in a 20% upper circuit on September 4th, a day after the infrastructure company announced that its subsidiary, GMR Smart Electricity Distribution, bagged a Rs 5,123.37 crore order from the Uttar Pradesh government. The company has received the letter of award for implementing smart metering project in Purvanchal region of Uttar Pradesh, which consists of districts namely Varanasi, Azamgarh, Prayagraj, and Mirzapur, the company said in a regulatory filing on September 3rd. GMR Power and Urban Infra was expected to install and maintain 50.17 lakh smart meters in the area, the company said. Tata Power Company share price rose 1% to touch 52-week high of 258.45 rupees on September 4th after the company signed an agreement for a 6 MW AC project with Chalet Hotels. The company's subsidiary Tata Power Renewable Energy Limited signed a power delivery agreement for a captive project for 6 MW AC with Chalet Hotels. The plant will generate 13.75 million units of clean energy from renewable sources under this arrangement. NAZARA Technologies board approved to issue shares worth 100 rupees crore to Zerodha's founders Nikhil and Nitin Kamath, the gaming company said on September 4th, sending the stock zooming. Stock up over 9%. We wish to inform you that the board considered and approved issuance of up to 14,00560 shares of the company for cash at an issue price of 714 rupees per equity share, aggregating to an amount of Rs 99,842 M.S. Kamath Associates. partnership firm represented by its partners Nikhil Kamath and Nitin Kamath, and MSNK Squared, partnership firm represented by its partners Nikhil Kamath and Nitin Kamath, the company said in a regulatory filing. MMTC in daily time frame is trading around 52.50 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 56.76 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 44.10, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 80.43. GMR Power and Urban Infra in daily time frame is trading around 34.10 points with a change of 19.86% and is trading with a net volume of around 21.992 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 26.95, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 84.94. Energy Development Company in daily time frame is trading around 21.15 points with a change of 19.83% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.568 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 17.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.76. For stocks to watch, we have Vedanta looks good on current market price of 241. It can be bought at 242 rupees, keeping target of 250 rupees with stop loss of 235. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.